Alright, how to change the cabin filter on a second gen Leaf. This is a 2021 SB Plus, if that matters. They're probably all the same, but you never know. Nissan likes to change it. So I just got it out. This is the original one. You can see it's dated 2020. This is a 21. This thing is like heavy duty. Never seen one this it's almost like reusable. You see, that's the inside. This is the outside. You can see it's full of crap. So I just figured out that you do not need to remove the glove box with the screws, because after I removed the glove box, I realized this lower panel is designed to pop off with no tools required. I guess you put your fingers in these holes and just pull it down. But I like to see what I'm doing, so there's the hole back in there. There's a little door in it. I think it's the same as like the Sentra and the Versa. I got a new Made in USA filter, which is about 10 times lighter than the other one. And yeah, there was a couple of screws along here, 3 along the top, I think, and 2 around the sides. If you want to take the glove box out, just 1 wire connector for the light in the glove box. Not too bad, a lot of room in here. Anyways, hope this helps. Now I gotta try to shove this huge filter in that little teeny hole. Just love the way they make these things. It's got this little tab too that's supposed to help you pull it out. I really had a struggle to get the other one out. So these things are designed to like fold up and oh. Better than I can see. Kind of a weird design that you just cram it all in and hope it expands on the other side. Otherwise it's a big ball in there. Do its job. Here's the glove box light I unplugged. Let's go. It's that way. Oh, there's a couple of clips I got that. So the dealership worked on this thing and screwed this thing up. Okay, glove box back on with no fasteners. We'll put that on later. Now you can put the screws in. So you can see the glove box will hold itself in with just the clips. Alright, so now I'm going to put on the cover. Here are all these tools they should need. It's supposed to be toolless. I'm going to take out my fancy light. So I'm assuming this tongue goes up into something up here. Okay, I didn't even look, and I got it on. Amazing. A little bit different than my first gen Leaf. I think I made a video on that as well. I think on that one I took out the glove box. Maybe I didn't need to, but I just like to see what I'm doing. I hate just feeling around in the dark. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment down below if you'd like to see more Leaf stuff. So here's the original filter, dated 3/20. This is a 21 Leaf. And I was just looking at this thinking, wow, this is a lot heavier than the original one, than the replacement one. I was thinking maybe it was not white. I think it was white. Wow, is it that dirty? What is all this? I thought it was just different material. But I think it's just smoke or something. Blacks. I don't know what that stuff's from. Crazy.